Right, we made it to our hotel. Tori, what'd you think of Rock City Gardens? Any words?
Good.
Good? Wow, so descriptive. Jules! Jules!
Nature Valley time?
Jules! What did you think of Rock City Gardens? Did you like it? You sleepy? No? What's that? You took a rock from Rock City Gardens? Souvenir! From the parking lot? Did you take a souvenir from the parking lot? No. We're tired. Alright, let's go eat.
No.
Yes, we're in Chattanooga. We're gonna go get some. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday at Taco Nouga. And then we're gonna go for the river walk because it's right across the street from here. Yeah, right across over there. What'd you get, Tori?
Grilled chicken taco.
Grilled chicken taco. Jules got a mini quesadilla. Is it yummy, Jules?
I decided not to go on the kids menu.
Mama got tilapia and carne asada, and I got grilled chicken and carne asada. Yummer. You good?
Yeah. Come myself. Come here. Come here myself. I can't clarify.
Tori, wait for us, please.
Yeah, it probably is. Mama made it real.
Day 2 in Chattanooga. See what I did there?
Yeah.
All right. Where are we going today, Tori?
Zoo.
Going to the zoo. Going to the zoo.
Oh, my
All right.
horse.
What animals are you excited to see at the zoo today?
Elephants, giraffes.
Elephants, giraffes, and what else? Didn't you say monkeys were your favorite?
No, I said elephant.
Oh, okay. Elephants.
And zebras.
Oh, elephants and zebras. Okay.
And giraffes.
And giraffes. Elephants, zebras, and giraffes.
Look
Okay.
at my horsey.
Wonderful.
She's
All
a
right.
violet.
Jules, what animals are you excited to see at the zoo today?
A kitty cat.
A kitty cat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe like a lion.
Oh, you want to see lions?
No.
No? Just a regular kitty cat?
Yeah. I'm scared of lions.
You're scared of lions?
Yeah.
I don't think we have to pay money to see regular kitty cats.
There's kitty cats do you?
Okay, well, we'll see if we find any kitty cats at the zoo.
And puppies and sheep too.
Puppies and sheep?
Yeah, I love sheep.
Sheep?
Yeah.
I don't think they have puppies or sheep at the zoo, Jules. I think you have the wrong... You said yes, they do?
Yeah.
I don't think they do, boo. I don't know what kind of zoo you're trying to go to.
Mama.
We'll see, though. Maybe you're right. Shh, y'all don't tell her that there's no puppies or cats at the zoo. Give me another cartwheel. Can you do 2 in a row? Oh, Jules. Yeah, can you do 2 in a row? Nice. Oh, get it, Jules. Get it, Julesy.
You know what you need
almost kicked him in the face.
I meant.
Nice. High five. It is a little chilly. Right now it is 53 degrees and a bit windy, but it's a really nice day outside. We just went on the carousel and that was fun, and we're getting ready to go to the zoo soon. So we will do that. Thankfully the weather is nice because there was a chance that there was going to be rain. So I'm glad that there's no rain and that we can go and enjoy the zoo with this beautiful weather. Josie, you ready to go to the zoo? Yeah, we're about to go to the zoo soon, boo. She's like, I'm over the field. I just want to go to the zoo and see the monkeys and the elephants.
No.
Come on, Tori. Hugger time!
Can't do it.
We made it to the zoo, and it looks like they've got some construction going on. What did you write?
Candy, and then I need to write store.
So you know how there's glamping? Well, we have whatever the version of glamping is for visiting the zoo, because these girls are in a wagon because our children are bougie and they don't like to walk. So Tanya and Tori went to the restroom, and then after that, what's that other girl's name? Jules. Tanya and Jules went to the bathroom, and then after they are done in the restroom, we will start this little zoo tour. And then after the zoo, we'll do lunch and then head back home. But yeah, I'm excited. They're expanding the zoo up in Chattanooga. What'd you say? Yeah, we're leaving. Going back home after the zoo. It is so windy. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. It is windy and cold. Sorry, y'all. So we live in Atlanta, and we're used to going to the Atlanta Zoo if we're going to go to a zoo, but we honestly prefer the smaller zoos like you have here in Chattanooga. And I think we've been to one in Knoxville, Tennessee also. I don't know what it is, but I just feel like the smaller zoos are just better and more enjoyable, at least for our family in the stage of life that we're in now, compared to the large one that's in Atlanta. I don't know. I can't quite put my finger on what it is, but the smaller experience. Maybe it's just because the Atlanta Zoo is too big and your kids start stressing you out at the bigger zoos, but something about the smaller ones that we enjoy so much more. So today we are celebrating my sister's 50th birthday at a venue that my other sister rented out for the evening. She decided for the 50th she wanted to do it big for our older sister, so we are in the setup, getting ready for the party process. I already went to the store and picked up the, what was it, 4 dozen, 6 dozen, I already lost count, amount of cupcakes that we got. Tanya's been working on a German chocolate cake for that she made. So yeah, and my mom and other sister at the venue now setting up. I've already been there once to drop off a load of stuff, and I am headed back now to drop off some more stuff. We noticed that the tablecloths all were packaged and need to be ironed, and so I'm bringing back a steamer and an ironing board so we can knock that out. And I think that's it. I don't know. I don't know if there's stuff to hang. I know balloons are coming later from Party City and whatnot. So it's about to be a whole thing, a whole shindig with family and friends of my sister. So it should be a good time. But that starts at 6 o'clock tonight, and it's a Friday. So there's other stuff happening in the background. There's life, there's work, there's school, and dance practice and whatnot, because there is a recital coming up in less than a month for both girls, both for Tori and for Jules. So there's a lot happening today. And this is a pretty crazy weekend in general. I think the next like 3 or 4 weekends in a row are. So we're just gonna make it do what it do and keep it pushing.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty.